Hello students, how are you? Nowadays you are happy because of rainy season, but your studies continue too. In last session, I taught you a poem 3, Madan Manchu. I gave classwork homework of poem 3 in last session. Now I am going to teach unit 3, lesson 3, Birju the Brave. So I am reading this lesson and you give attention properly in the lesson. There was a small village in the mountains. The name of the village was Surajpur. There was a big forest all around Surajpur. People in Surajpur were happy, they worked hard and grew good crops. I explained that there was a small village. Its name was Surajpur. It was in the mountains. And you know, around the all mountains, you can find the jungles or forest. Therefore, the people of Surajpur were happy because they work hard and were doing the farming. Birju, a young man, also lived in Surajpur. He was tall and handsome. He was wealthy too, but he was not brave. He was afraid of even a mouse. He never went out at night. The children teased him, Birju the coward. Once the village sarpanch received a note from some dacoits. There in the village, a one boy named Birju. He lived in Surajpur and he was looking tall and handsome. He was wealthy. Wealthy means rich, but he was not brave. He was afraid of a mouse. He was also old like you, means he was 11 years old you. He did not go out at night, so children teased him the coward. One day, the village sarpanch got a note of the dacoits. Dacoits means બેટા ગુજરાતીમાં ધાડ પાડવો કહેવાય અને અંગ્રેજીમાં બીજા વર્ડ્સમાં રોબર્સ કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય બેટા? રોબર્સ. Birju was we are coming to your village tonight. Keep all your money and ornaments ready. The sarpanch called the villagers. He showed them the note. Some villagers wanted to attack the dacoits. Some others said we shall trap them. Birju was also there. He stood up and told the sarpanch, "Sir, don't worry about the dacoits. I will teach them a lesson." The villagers laughed. The sarpanch said, "What? You will teach them a lesson? Birju, you are afraid of even a small mouse. How will you teach them a lesson?" Now I explain this. The dacoits wrote in a note that they are coming tonight, so keep all money and ornaments ready. The sarpanch called the villagers and showed the note to them. So the villagers were angry. Some villagers wanted to trap them, or some villagers wanted to attack them. And at that time, Birju was also there. He told the sarpanch, "I will teach them a lesson." So the sarpanch and the villagers laughed to listen him. They told to Birju, "You are afraid of a mouse. How will you teach them a lesson?" Therefore, Birju replied that, "Give me 10 strong young men. I have a plan." The sarpanch agreed. He asked 10 strong men to go with him. After sunset, Birju and his friends gathered at the village gate. They carried a bundle of wire and sticks. They tied the wire to the trees across the road. Then they hid themselves behind the trees. It was dark. They did not see anyone for a long time. Late at night, the dacoits came on horseback. They did not see the wire in the dark. One by one, they fell down. Birju and his friends came out. They caught the dacoits and tied them to the trees. The next day, the sarpanch called the police. The police arrested the dacoits. The sarpanch and the villagers congratulated Birju and his friends. Now, Birju was not Birju the coward. He was Birju the brave. Sarpanch and the villagers laughed to listen him. They told to Birju, "You are afraid of a mouse. How will you teach them a lesson?" Therefore, Birju replied and said, Give me 10 strong young men. I have a plan. By this plan, Birju and his 10 strong young men brought the wire and sticks. They tied the wire to the trees across the road. Then they hid themselves behind the tree. Late at night, the dacoits came on the horseback. They could not see the wire and fell down one by one. So Birju and his friends caught them and tied to the trees. The next day, the Sarpanch called the police and the police arrested them. So the Sarpanch and the villagers congratulated Birju and his friend. Now Birju was not coward, but he was the brave. Now students, you write down question answer exercise 1 and 2 or picture comprehensions and composition my favorite festival in your classwork and homework note 2. And your second monthly will be start from 25th August 2020 to 2nd September 2020. So everybody should give this unit 2 test and write answers properly. You have to write this test only one time. In last unit 1 test, some students wrote test 2 or 3 times. So it is wrong. And marks will be considered of first attempt. You write your full name, standard, division, shift, morning or noon in the paper. Don't forget. Okay, bye. Take care and stay home. Best luck for your unit test 2.